upon a time, in the city of colors, there were reds, yellows, and blues. They lived together, painted the streets, and made the world bright and beautiful. Everything was perfect and happy.
Red, yellow, blue, me and you. Together we make the world brand new. Laugh and paint, skip and play, let's color the world today.
What a wonderful day, Yellow. Yes, and we make everything shine. And I add a little fire.
But one day, a red shouted, "Reds are the best! We are the brightest and the strongest!"
Oh, please. Everyone knows blues are the coolest and the smartest. Excuse me? Without us yellows, you'll all be in the dark. We bring the sunshine.
Who's the best?
Reds are the best! Blues are the best! Yellows are the best! We are the best! We are the best! We are the best!
The shouting grew louder. Then someone cried,
Colors should stick with their own color. Let us see who will pass the color test.
and so the city was divided. Each color lived alone. The streets turned quite grey. Today on, we will be called Redistan. No other color should trespass our city.
We will be called Blue Yorkers from today on. We will rule one day for sure. Yellowshia is what we are. We will top the world one day.
Who is the best?
We are the best! We are the best! We are the best! Days passed, and one morning, Blue went for a walk near the yellow hills. There, he saw the happiest color of all, yellow.
Oh, how sunshine! It's been a long time since we smiled.
Hi, cool breeze. I missed your calm face.
You make the sky look brighter.
And you make the sunshine look softer. Blue and yellow began to meet every day. They painted together, sang together, and laughed together. Until one day,
Yellow, will you be my forever friend?
only if you promise to never stop smiling. And so, the city gathered for the happiest event ever, the first color wedding.
Do you, Blue, promise to share your calm with Yellow? I do. And do you, Yellow, promise to share your brightness with Blue?
I do.
Then by the power of color and love, I now mix you as one.
Blue and yellow, hand in hand, made a color fresh and grand. Look around, can you see? Love made magic. Green is me.
Hi everyone, I'm green. I have the calm of blue and the cheer of yellow. Isn't it wonderful to be mixed?
The crowd gasped. They had never seen such a beautiful color before. It was the beginning of something new. A world that would soon mix, blend, and shine together.
The other colors were curious. If blue and yellow can get married, maybe we can mix too. Shall we try painting together?
Let's see what happens.
Purple's here, strong and royal. Want to try me? I'm orange, warm and fun. Let's have some fun in the sun. Soon, the city was filled with purples, oranges, greens and more. New friends laughed and painted everywhere.
Mix it up, mix it right. Share your colors, share your lights. Different shades, side by side. In our hearts, no walls divide.
The fences came down. The city of colors was beautiful again, brighter than ever. They learned that every color has its own beauty, but together they make a masterpiece.
Red, yellow, blue and green. Best together ever seen. Mix of hearts, mix of dreams. Love is brighter than it seems.
And that's how the city of colors learned the truth of life. We are better when we are mixed. That was a wonderful